Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and watchOS 6 Beta 1 is now out for developers. Apple released this at their WWDC conference and talked about it and all the changes. So let's go over all the changes. But before you go and install this, know it comes out in the fall. There's only a developer beta, and if you have a problem, you have to bring it to Apple to go back. So I really don't recommend installing this unless you're willing to deal with that. So the first thing is watch faces, and Apple says that there are more watch faces now than the first introduction of watchOS. So you'll see here we have the solar dial. Let me go back to modular compact, and it has a bunch of information in it. We'll go over to solar dial, and you can customize this to analog, all sorts of things, digital, whatever you'd like. So we'll leave that one. You'll see you can customize this, of course, any way you'd like. This one is called California. Then we have gradient, and of course you can change all of these colors. We have numerals duo and numerals mono. So let's go back to this one. I kind of like this one, and you can spin through here and see the sunset and things like that. It's kind of nice. Each one of these has a very nice look to them. You'll see here if I go here and customize, let's customize the actual color itself, so you can change it however you'd like. So whatever you like is here. Of course, you have all your traditional watch faces, but no custom watch faces. Now, this should have enhanced Siri, so you can ask it what's playing around you if you're listening to music and you want to know what that is. You can also ask Siri to search for topics. Let's search for a topic. Show me topics on WWDC. So you'll see here's the developer conference. There's a couple different results we can scroll through. So we have more search availability. Now, one of the very exciting things is the App Store. And well, there we go. You'll see we should have the App Store in here somewhere. It's a standalone App Store now. So this is the App Store. It found my result for WWDC and then says things like listen on the go. And these can be installed separate from the iPhone now. So there's the Nike Run Club app, weather on your wrist. Let's see what we have here. Let's try this one. It says get and enter your password. So enter the password. Finish entering text on your iOS device. So it's not quite as straightforward as I had hoped, but eventually it will probably get a little bit better. Now, there's also a new app here for hearing. If you can see here, it helps you prevent sound levels from damaging your ears. It will kind of pick up that information and let you know what the decibels are of someone speaking, and if it gets too loud, it will let you know. So you can see this is me speaking right now at about 63 to 67 decibels. So it's really nice. It'll alert you if it's really loud. Apple says they don't save any of that information, so that's really nice. I like that little extra option here. Now, there's a new tracker for menstrual cycles as well, and it's in the Health app, and you have to set all this up, but if you are a female and you want to track that, you can do that. And then you also have Calculator here. They've added this as a new app, which is really nice. They've also added voice memos. Let's see if we can find that. So there's the voice memos app. So you can tap to record, which is really nice. And then they've also added a new audiobooks app. So let's see if, I don't know if it's in this book here. There we go. We have audiobooks, so we can listen to audiobooks on our watch as well. And this is all independent of the watch if you want it to be. And they've opened up streaming APIs for developers so they can stream music and audio on here as well. Now, there's a new update for activity, and activity should have trends. So let's see if we can go in here. I don't know if it'll be in there yet. Start sharing, and there's awards. But there should be some trends in here as well. Over time that you use it, it will actually start to let you know about trends and things like that so that you can see if you're doing better or worse than you were before. And aside from that, automatic updates will be done right on the watch now instead of having to go to the phone. So you can do everything independently on the watch itself. And that is really it as far as the updates. So there are some new summer bands that maybe if you want me to check those out, I will and do a video on. But those are the major updates to watchOS 6. So expect that in the fall. If there's major changes between watchOS Beta 1 and the final version, I'll be sure to cover that as well. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below, and which watch face is your favorite? I'd love to hear what you have to say. I kind of like the gradient one too. It's a little plain, but you've got all these different colors here as well, so that's kind of nice. I'll link a new wallpaper in the description below, though, and you can check that out if you'd like to get your hands on that. If you have any other questions, though, let me know in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like if you enjoyed the video. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.